Instead of a traditional gammon, we're going to be doing pork belly today, but we're going to pre-cook it, and then afterwards, when you are already on the day, when your guests are there, you're just going to put it into the oven and crisp it up and cook it for the final stage, but it'll be beautiful, succulent and soft already beforehand, and it makes it easier for the day itself. So what we want to do, you want to bring a large pot of flavored stock up to the boil, where I'm going to show you now what we're going to be adding into this, and you're welcome to put any spice or seasoning into it, whatever you like. This is just what I prefer, but you can do your own. So when this has come up to the boil, we're just going to be placing the pork bellies into the boiling stock and then cook that for about 2 hours. And then we're going to remove it and keep it in the fridge to set and to cool. So what we're going to be adding to the pot is we've got a beautiful jug of pork stock. You can use beef or veg or chicken, whichever you have handy, which we're just going to be adding into the pot. Now we're going to fill it up with water, so this is just for extra flavor. Then we're going to be adding garlic, ginger, carrots, celery, onions, some cumin seed, a little bit of star anise, and juniper berries. We've got all our flavorings into the pot. Now we're going to fill it up with water until it comes to the top, where I know that both the pork bellies can be submerged easily. And then I'm going to boil it for 2 hours, remove it, let it cool down, and put it in the fridge, ready to be used whenever you need it. So the pork belly has been slowly cooking for 2 hours. Now we're just going to remove it from our stock and placing it into our tray, where it's going to be staying in the fridge until we need it. As I can feel, it's beautiful and soft. Just don't want any of the extra bits on it. And it doesn't look very appetizing now, but keep in mind, it's going to go into an extremely hot oven or pizza oven, where this will become golden and crispy and crackled up, and it'll get color all over. It will be beautiful. What good is pork without a good applesauce? So we're just going to make a quick and easy applesauce, where we've got beautiful Granny Smith apples. We're just going to peel them, core them, place them on a tray. We've got a few cloves just to keep the Christmas vibe going, some cinnamon, lemon juice, salt, sugar. Going to whack it into the pizza oven, roast it up nicely, blend it. There we go. So our apples has been roasted beautifully. We're just going to pop them into a blender when they've cooled down. And we're going to blend it until a smooth puree, and there you have your applesauce. Our pork belly has been chilling in the fridge overnight. So now what we're going to do, we're going to poke the skin to help it crackle up. Now I've got one of these nice little things, but if you don't, you can use a fork. So all you want to do is you want to make sure that you do it all over in every area of the skin. Then when that's done, we're just going to drizzle some olive oil, salt and pepper into the pizza oven or normal oven, whatever you have. And there we have it. This will make, well, hopefully, make a beautiful crackling. The skin is cooked nicely, dried out well. We've added extra oil and the salt also helps to crackle it up. It's ready for the oven.